Hi everybody. I'm just spending the evening filling these holes of my desk drawers. The former hardware required 2 holes. And as you know, I showed these to you before. This is the brand new hardware, which only requires 1. So I'm using this Drydex. It's a Spackling nail hole filler. Here is the old hardware with 2 threaded openings right here. And here is the new with the single threaded opening, and this is what we're wanting to install. The Hyper Tough drill can be purchased at your local Walmart. It was on sale for $16 and change. Basically, you can see where the former 2 holes are. That's still drying, but I just wanted to show you how I'm going to drill in the center. Okay, now we're going to install our hardware. I had to put these spacers in here for the proper spacing so that the pulls, the new pulls, would fit tightly. Gone behind, we've got that screw right there. This is the exciting part. You put that new drawer pull in. And here is the completed look. I am so happy. I am so pleased at how this came out. Let me know what you think. Take good care, everybody.